Hi, welcome to Sruthi Lakshmi's virtual classroom. Today we're going to see what ratios are. A ratio is nothing but a comparison between two quantities. A fraction can also be a ratio. Basically, a ratio is a type of fraction. Now let's see. Here we have 1 by 2 or 1/2. In a fraction, 1 by 2 or 1/2 means half of something. Both the numerator and the denominator here refers to this cookie here, or the half of this cookie here. Now this is part of the cookie. Now let's see what a ratio is. Here we have the ratio 1 by 2 or 1/2. So here the numerator represents one quantity and the denominator represents another quantity in a ratio. So here the numerator represents one cookie and the denominator represents two girls. So here there's one cookie and two girls. So they have to share the cookie. So now you see the difference between fractions and ratios. A fraction is when we cut or slice something to equal parts, and a ratio is something that are compared to two quantities. So here we are comparing cookies and girls. Now here there are 5 ducks and 3 dogs. So it's ducks to dogs. So let's consider the first quantity as A. So the first quantity here is ducks. So the ducks is A and the second quantity is B. So here the second quantity is the puppies here. So the puppies is B. So the ratio of A is to B can also be written as A is to B. This colon sign is to separate the quantities, and it can be also written as A by B or A to B. So here A is the ducks, which is 5, and B is the puppies, which is 3. So we get 5:3. So the number of ducks is 5 and the number of puppies is 3. And we could also write it as 5 by 3. Or we could write it as 5:3. There were a group of kids playing together in the park. 3 of them were girls and 2 of them were boys. What is the ratio of girls to boys? So we have 3 girls and 2 boys. So the ratio is 3:2. Or it can be written as 3 by 2 and 3:2. So the ratio here is 3:2. Kate has 10 jelly beans. Among 10, there are 2 blue and 4 pink jelly beans. The question is, what is the ratio of blue to pink jelly beans? Here we have 2 blue jelly beans and 4 pink jelly beans. So the ratio is 2:4. We can also write it as 2 by 4. When we simplify 2 by 4, we get 1 by 2 or 1/2. From here, we come to know that for every blue jelly bean, there are 2 pink jelly beans. And what is the ratio of blue jelly beans to the total number of jelly beans? Here we have 2 blue jelly beans and the total number of jelly beans is 10. So the ratio of blue jelly beans to the total number of jelly beans is 2:10. Or we can also write it as 2/10. When we simplify 2/10, we get 1/5. So, we come to know that 1 out of every 5 jelly beans is blue.
Thanks for watching.